Hey guys, yesterday I posted a video comparing the Richtofen from Black Ops 3 to the one that's in Black Ops 4 Blackout. I didn't really think there was going to be any difference because this is supposedly made by Treyarch, but it's actually not. It's made by a different studio, and that's why the character models look so different. Also, this map is huge, and they may have to dumb down the graphics to make everything work. So these low-level graphics can make sense if you look at it that way. Or it could just be that this other studio isn't as good with level design as Treyarch is. You saw how they butchered Shadows of Evil and Horizon on PS3 and Xbox 360 version. And people might say, oh, they had to dumb down the graphics to make it work on Shadows of Evil or Horizon on old gen. But I say no, because Treyarch has been making zombie maps on old gen this whole time and they look beautiful. So for whatever reason these graphics look so bad, we may never know. It could be all of the above. But I thought it'd be fun to make a video anyways and just compare the other three characters in addition to Richtofen. So on the left, I already showed this in the last video, but that's Black Ops 3 Richtofen. It looks beautiful. On the right is the Black Ops 4 Blackout Richtofen. He looks like his twin brother that didn't get cooked all the way. And I didn't bother with the other three characters in the last video because I didn't think there was going to be that much of a difference, but I was very wrong about that. There is some big differences and it's really noticeable when you do a side by side. So here's the Takeo Blackout Black Ops 4 version, and he looks recognizable. He doesn't look too crazy or anything like that, and he looks pretty good until you do the side by side. So on the left is the Black Ops 3 Takeo. He looks so nice here. He looks almost realistic. His skin tone and everything is just immaculate. Takeo on Blackout on the right, his skin tone doesn't look realistic. His facial expression looks a little odd. I'll zoom in a little bit right here. Now these two characters don't even look like the same person, and this side-by-side comparison allows you to really appreciate the high level of design and detail that Treyarch puts into the zombies maps. Their characters seem to be so highly crafted. I'll zoom in a little bit more here. You can see Takeo's goatee. It looks like they have put one hair in at a time. It looks so real. The BO4 Takeo, he's looking a little patchy in the goatee area. His eyes don't even look real. The Takeo on the left, yeah, this could be a portrait of a real person. Now I'll go over to Nikolai, and Nikolai actually looks really good. Out of all the four characters, they did the best on him. His face looks almost identical to the Black Ops 3 version, but don't get too close because his eyes are kind of freaky. He's got like these dead vampire eyes. So yeah, they didn't do that bad of a job on him. He looks a little bit like a mannequin, but probably the best out of the four. And the last one, Dempsey, they didn't do a very good job on him. He doesn't even look like the same person. Dempsey on the left from Black Ops 3, very handsome dude. A guy on the right, not sure who that is. He just looks really sickly with a lot of high contrast, and he's probably, I think, the worst one for looking identical. He looks the least like the original character in my opinion. But again, I know that the Primis crew is going to look immaculate in Blood of the Dead. It is being done by Treyarch Studios, and I will be really excited to go in and do a comparison with the BO3, BO4 version of those guys. I've been getting requests for me to compare the Transit and Blackout to Transit on Black Ops 2, so I'm putting that video together. I might do the boxing gym and also Varrook, but watch out for those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.